Welcome to Lesson 8 of Learning HTML with Coduo. We've covered a lot of different tags and elements, so let's do a review to refresh our memory. Everything in HTML is made up of tags. You'll usually have an opening tag and a closing tag. You can put content in between these tags, and the browser will render them according to what the tag is. We also have the occasional self-closing tag, like the image tag or the input tag. We have tons of tags, but we typically end up using a handful of them most of the time. We have the required tags that let the browser know the file is an HTML document. These are the HTML tags that wrap the entire file. The head tag that lets us give the browser metadata or information about the document, such as the title. And finally, we have the body tag that lets us display things like text and images to the user. Inside of the body tag, we can use tags like the header tags. We've got the H1, H2, H3, all the way to H6. These are used for displaying a title or header of the web page. We have paragraph tags used for writing paragraphs. We have ordered lists that show numbered lists and unordered lists that show bullet-pointed lists. We have image tags that use the source attribute to help you tell the browser where the image should come from. We have A tags that let you make text link to another location using the href attribute, like so. And we have the div tag used to divvy up our code. We have a lot more, but these are the main ones you'll find yourself using all the time. We're going to build a page from scratch in this lesson, so get started on your objectives.